Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to video call on an Android phone. So let's get started. So when it comes to video calling on Android, it's going to be different than if you're used to an iPhone like FaceTime because there is no built-in app into it. The one built-in app that you might find on most Android phone is Google Meets, and that may be integrated. And now some carriers also provide video calling options. So in order to check that, first thing you're going to do is make sure that the person that you want to video call that is added to your contact. If they're not added, go ahead and add them. Just add their you would add their name and their phone number as well to your contact, and you would save them. So add that info, and then you would save them. Now I'm going to show you a contact that I have here. For example, if I have a contact I added here, right, just a sample one. If you wanted to video call them, there should be an option for you right here. When you tap on it, it gives you two different options here. As I mentioned, in a built-in option is a Google Meet, so you'd click on that, or some carrier, depending on your carrier, will provide a carrier video call option as well. That will also allow you to video call them, given that they have a Google Meet or a carrier on their plan as well. Now, another easy option might be, if you can't video call them through that way, is using a third-party app. Now, there are some popular ones out there that you can use. For example, WhatsApp is one of them, free to use. So if you don't have WhatsApp, you may need to create an account and then add them on there. And they also need to have WhatsApp as well. And then other apps include our Facebook Messenger. So Messenger is a great app as well that allows you to video call for free as well, as long as you have them on Messenger or basically on Facebook as well. And then there's also option for Zoom as another option that you could video call as well, as those are different ways to video call. So it's all about depending on who you're trying to video call. If they happen to be an iPhone user, you can actually ask them to send you a FaceTime link, which they can do from their iPhone, and then you can join it by clicking on the link on a browser as well as an option to video call. So there are different ways to video call on Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.